What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a bunch of fun things with cars, and we live inside the LA area, so we do videos around LA. In today's video, I'm really excited because we are finally going off-roading for the first time inside this Jeep. We're going to, I think it's called Rowher Flats OHV, I believe. It's about an hour 20 minutes away. So we're gonna start right now. It's early Saturday morning. We'll probably get there around like a little bit after 8. I was gonna get there earlier, but I want to make sure like it says it's open 24/7. I just want to make sure it's like fully open, everything like that. So we're gonna get there and we're gonna go. So without further ado, let's go for a drive. This is my first time going for actually like a real long drive in the Jeep. So that'd be kind of cool too. And then we're gonna go there. So yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so we are coming up close to the area. We're getting close. I'll show you guys when we pull up. I'm not fully sure where it is, but I'll show you guys when we get there. But it's kind of what it looks like so far. Guys, I'm gonna show you. So I just turned left off of, I think it's Sierra Canyon Road. I think it was. This is kind of like the entrance. So I'm just driving up here. I'm not sure where the whole staging area is. I'm not sure what anything is. I'm a total noob with this. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going up until we find where everything's at. So I'll show you guys. Wow. And this is just like the entrance. All right, so I guess let's just see where it goes. Aired down slightly, didn't go super low. These are just stock wheels, don't have bead locks. So I just aired down like 7 to 8 psi, and so it looks like this path is open to ATVs, bikes, cars. Seen a couple motorcycles pass and ATVs pass. It looks like they're doing some type of big class down there or something. There's a whole bunch of people down there. It looks like they're going to teach them and take them out on the trail. So I have no idea. I'm going full send, not full send, but this is just first time out here. I just want to get the feel for things. How are things? And then we'll see how things go. Not real quick and easy. I don't know. We're going to be out here for a minute. So let's keep going. And I'll show you guys the more we go. Just to show you guys. So there's like a big divot down this way. I'm going to go the easy little route. Just over here. But that's a pretty big divot. All right, I'm gonna try something.
gonna go there.
Okay, well, come on.
Over there.
This is where we came from.
We get bullied off the road.
Looks like she just went full send.
Scary. I got scared.
A whole fleet of just Jeeps just went by.
Just follow them.
Nah, they're gonna.
No.
I wish I could just find friends. I'm gonna go back. I wish I could just find friends like that, but they look like they have way more experience, and I'm not about to follow them. So it would have been cool. Let's go back this way. Look at that. That's a strip falcon. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Alright guys, so we just got done. First time out here. First time really doing any off-roading really. It was really fun. The car is absolutely filthy inside here. It is like so much dust everywhere. But yeah, that was pretty cool. It was nice to get out here, see what the car can do stock. Didn't do anything super crazy just because first time, once again, didn't really, you know, literally I've never done this before, so took it easy. We'll come back out here. There's other places too we can go. So I want to, like, you know, figure things out and kind of get a feel for things. But we've been here actually for a while. We're hungry. We're gonna go home, get some food, because yeah, we're hungry. But like that, guys, if you liked the video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, Omega Greed, same name as YouTube channel. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.